I have reached Goga Jahir Peer on my bicycle. Expecting more and more pilgrims from around the world, a lot of parking space is being developed by conscious priests who are always looking for these kind of miraculous places around the ecology and other mountainous region, because without installation of solar cell LED lights it is not possible to preserve this environment, due to which various kind of idols are being imported from distant countries like China, Taiwan, Philippines, Puerto Rico, and even some parts of Mexico also. When more trees are cleared, then birds become more active, which is also a promotional activity, and that's why I'm pointing towards this region. iNaturalist should take that into consideration. Actually, Goga Jahir Peer is a very popular destination where many religions meet, like Sikhism, and your symbol is being shown along with the great warrior who became Muslim by himself, and then Kalimata blessed him before invasion of British Empire. That's what I said, that merging of religion is being promoted, especially on 31st December and 1st January. It is the need of the hour. To explain the problems faced by Asian countries to the Western Empire, that why they are not participating to extinguish the California wildfires, which has devastated a lot of region, and civic engagement is lacking, due to which forest fires have been able to reach cities also. But the water tank has been cleaned by India Pollution Control Committee and Green Tribunal, together with the help of Shanti Kunj from Haridwar, who were earlier cleaning river Ganges, but when they witnessed a lot of corruption in Delhi, they thought it is the appropriate time to expand their social cause of environment to distant states and union territories also. A similar kind of horse was owned by Queen Korvaki, who ran towards an isolated place where Chanakya was kept hostage. In the meantime, Ashok, the great king, reached there, and both of them fought with cruel Sakas and sisters to get them eradicated from Indraprasth and Ujjain. In 128 years. Again, the same Ashok Samrat took reincarnation in the same genetic tree as King Vikramaditya. And again, he reached Ujjain in time to save Saraswati from cruel Saka's ancestors, which were gradually becoming diminished. But even then, 5 or 6 managed to take reincarnation during last 8 to 12 decades. Two to four have been already received reincarnation as cockroach, and then they will be destroyed forever from Earth 1. I think it is possible that few of them are still remaining, due to which I keep on praying simultaneously, sequentially, even if someone says in a parallel manner, I don't care or bother. I'm not afraid of all of the remaining parallelism which has been spared or not. It doesn't matter a lot. That is not a story of any religious TV episodes, but in fact these are real, proven, authenticated facts which I will continuously support and depict to you from time to time. So we don't have to study about the history related to Goga Jahir Peer, because that was already explained to you through various cultural songs. But you might be remembering that when I visited Balaji temple in 2009 during January 1st or 2nd week, I was holding a newspaper with me. Exactly below the solar date mentioned on that regional language newspaper. That was a picture of Lord Vishnu's avatar known as Ram.